In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify footer. We'll go step by step inside the Shopify theme editor so you can control what appears at the bottom of your store, from menus and branding to colors and social icons. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option called Online Store and click it. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click on Edit Theme or Customize, depending on what you see. This opens the theme editor, which is where you'll do all your footer customization. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel where all your sections are listed. Scroll down until you find the footer area. This is the main section that controls everything at the bottom of your site. Here, you can add additional sections to your footer. Click Add Section, and you'll see options like an email sign-up section or a custom liquid section, which is useful if you need to embed custom code from apps or services. You'll also see a dedicated footer section. Click the small arrow pointing to the right to expand it and show all the blocks inside. Each block represents a piece of content in your footer. If you click Add Block, you'll get options such as a menu block, brand information, a text block, or an image block. For example, you might add a menu block for quick links, then click Add Block again and include a brand information block for your logo or description. If you want to change the order of these blocks, just drag and drop them into place. To remove a block, hover over it and click the trash icon that appears on the right side. To open the editing and styling options for any section or block, simply click on it. Let's use your main footer section as an example. Here you can adjust the color scheme by clicking the drop-down next to color scheme and choosing from the available options. If you want to tweak that color scheme further, click the edit button that appears when a scheme is selected. You can also enable or disable customer email sign-up and change its heading text to match your brand voice. Under a utilities area, you can switch on or off things like follow on shop, social media icons, country or region selector, language selector, payment method icons, and policy links. This is where you decide exactly what your customers see in the footer. For layout, you'll find options for spacing and padding. Adjust the top margin if you want more space above the footer, and use the padding controls for the top and bottom to make the section feel tighter or more open. If you want to connect your social accounts, click on Theme Settings, usually found in the left panel. Expand it, and you'll see fields for different social media platforms where you can paste your social links. Once these are added, the corresponding icons will appear in your footer, as long as the social icons option is enabled in your footer settings. Finally, if you're comfortable with code, you also have the option to add custom CSS. This gives you greater control over the appearance of your footer, such as fine-tuning fonts, spacing, or colors beyond the standard controls. When you're happy with how everything looks in the preview, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This publishes your changes so visitors will see your updated footer live on your store.